Astronomers have discovered a massive exoplanet candidate close to Vega. Astronomers have found evidence to indicate that a giant planet is orbiting Vega. Vega is a young star located 25 light-years away in the constellation of Lyra. Scientists can also see Vega with telescopes, even when it's lights out. This makes it a prime candidate for research and further studies. It's bright enough that you can observe it at twilight when other stars are getting washed out by sunlight. It would be extremely intriguing to find a planet around Vega because it offers possibilities for future characterization in ways that planets around fainter stars would not provide. Vega is an A-type star, the name for stars that tend to be bigger, younger, and much faster spinning than our Sun. It is also known as Alpha Lyra, Gliese 721, and HD 172167. The star is approximately 455 million years old and has a mass of 2 solar masses. It rotates around its axis once every 16 hours. This is much faster than the way our Sun rotates around its axis. It rotates much faster than the Sun with a rotational period that clocks in at 27 Earth days. Such a lightning-fast pace can make it extremely difficult for scientists to collect precise data on the star's motion and by extension any planets in orbit around the star Vega. Based on the research presented, the research team would have analyzed 1,524 spectra of Vega collected by the Fred Lawrence Whipple Observatory during 10 years. They detected a candidate radial velocity signal with a period of 2.43 days. If caused by an orbiting planet, its minimum mass would be 20 Earth masses because of Vega's pole-on orientation. This would correspond to a Jovian planet if the orbit is aligned with the stellar spin. It would be at least the size of Neptune, potentially as large as Jupiter, and would be closer to Vega than Mercury is to the Sun. That close to Vega, the candidate world might puff up like a balloon, and even iron would melt into gas in its atmosphere. The candidate planet, which has been designated Vega B, could also rank as the second hottest world known to science, with surface temperatures averaging a searing 2,980 degrees Celsius or 5,390 degrees Fahrenheit. This would be a massive system, much larger than our own solar system. There could be other planets throughout that system as well. It's just a matter of whether we can detect these worlds as they orbit their star Vega. Vega is considered to be an iconic and relatively young star, as it is a part of the constellation Lyra. It is considered to be a celestial body that is 25 light-years away or 150 trillion miles away from Earth. It is considered quite pretty close, astronomically speaking. Despite how famous this star is, researchers have struggled over the years to find a single planet in orbit around Vega. But based on the research presented, this might just be on the verge of changing. Through the use of a decade of observations from the ground, researchers have unearthed a curious signal that could be the star's first known world. Far, scientists have discovered more than 4,000 exoplanets or other planets beyond Earth's solar system. Few of those, however, circle stars that are as bright or as close to Earth as Vega. This means that if there are planets around the star Vega, scientists could get a really detailed look at these exoplanets. It would be an exciting discovery. Astronomers and scientists alike, it seems like the exoplanets around the star Vega If they were to be discovered, it would mean that in the past, it would have been a game of celestial hide and seek. Of course, we hope that they will detect more planets close to Vega. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this fascinating discovery of a potential exoplanet that is extremely massive and similar to that of a Jovian planet, orbiting that famous star called Vega. This would be a giant, scorching, hot planet that may be orbiting the star Vega. Vega is the fifth brightest star, excluding the Sun, that could be seen from Earth. Of course, this discovery that is hinting at the existence of a hot, Jovian-like planet orbiting Vega is simply fascinating. Vega is one of the brightest stars in the night sky. Keep your eyes focused on the stars and continue to enjoy acquiring knowledge. Take care and goodbye.